What's up, Lunar Bikes? This fork is in dramatic condition, lots of rust and mud, it's very dirty. Service of this Btwin bike suspension fork. The first step is external cleaning by a car shampoo and dishwash. So I use it because this is a really good idea for cleaning a bike. I brush this fork and clean from mud, sand. Now I use polishing paste and steel wool to unrust these fork legs. This is safety method. You can't scratch this fork by this. After first step, I use a cleaning paste with cloth, microfiber cloth, and polishing them. And on finish, I use wax and polishing by wax this fork legs, and it's ready. But inside the fork need 2 service because it's too long to you hear it. I use 10mm wrench K to unlock these nuts. Damn, lots of water inside. Look at this. Oh my god. Inside of this fork is not so bad, but you can see on the right side, you can see lots of rust. Here looks worst. Dirty. I use a degreaser to cleaning inside and microfiber cloth. Remove rust. And I use 3D printer K from my friend, and I open this fork inside. I remove the spring. As you can see, it's in dramatic condition, lots of mud, lots of dirt, lots of rust, and I don't see here a grease. It's drama. By cotton cloth and degreaser, I clean the inside of these fork legs. And I clean this spring. I clean the fork legs and I use grease to lubrication this spring. After I put spring inside the fork leg and lock it. And lock it by a plastic nut. I lubricate to the downside of these fork legs and the screws, and I put grease inside the gaskets to prevent these fork legs before dirt, and I assemble these things and I tighten the nuts and it's ready. This fork works totally different like before. You can see the comparison here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a subscribe.